This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers, in this video we will learn pie charts in Excel. So you can see, if you click the insert tab, you can find multiple types of charts in Microsoft Excel, and you can use them according to your requirement. And you can see in this insert chart option that you can insert a column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, XY scatter diagram, stock chart, surface chart, donut charts, bubble charts, and data chart. There are multiple types of charts are provided by Microsoft Excel, but the one which we are going to discuss and learn over here today is all about pie charts. Since you know how a pie looks like, you have a better idea. So we are going to learn and we will discuss it today. So how it is used, let's see. First, you can see that we have a table of different months from January till August, and with different commodities we have the sales figures of them, like rice, maize, oats, and wheat, and the totals are also being calculated by us. So we're going to see how all these sales figures can be represented in the graphical format with the help of pie chart. So first we will select the columns we're gonna use and to display in our pie chart. So in this case I have selected the months column, the rice column, maize, oats, and wheat column. So I'm gonna go to the insert tab and will select the pie, and from here I will select this one, the 2D pie. This is the most common and the basic pie chart which is commonly used. And if you see the definition, it says that it displays the contribution of each value to a total. Use it when the values can be added together or when you have only one data series and all values are positive. So the values should be positive. This is the basic requirement for any pie chart. So I'm going to click this 2D pie. So let's see what happens. So when I click it, you can see that all the data which we can see here in this table has some sales figures in numerical forms, but here you can see that we have a graphical and diagrammatical representation of all these sales figures. Like if you can see that there are different colors have been provided and given to every month, and the pie chart is showing the sales figures amount, like the area which is covered by here in my chart actually represents the total value of a particular month. Like if we want to see the total sale month wise, since you want to see the month wise sales progress report, so we can see that the my is showing the maximum value. It has provided us the maximum sales figure report. So if you can see that here from this value, you can see 2319 is the value which is the largest from all the values of all the months. So it actually captures the wider area of this pie chart. And if you can see that if you want to check the month of Jan, which is represented by the color of red, then it shows you, if you go to this, and you can see that it actually describes you the value 150 and with 6%. Like if you calculate the total pie chart area as 100%, that the month of January only covers the 6% of all of them. And if you go to the February, then it covers the 9%. Go to the purple area, it shows that it covers the 10% value, and go to the April, then it covers 5%, and if you select the month of May, then it covers 39%. Likewise, June covers 7%, and July covers 11%, and August covers 13%. So this is very helpful if you want to show it to your presentation, that this is the basic. If you don't want to go into the details of all the values, then you can just have a better idea from this graphical representation, that how much a month has provided a total sale progress figure. So here you can see that in the month of May, most of the sales has progressed and provided you a larger value, a larger number of amount. So if we want to go to the pie chart option, and if we can see that there are multiple options are there, and you can select it from here, and if you go to the all chart types, you can have the pie chart option. Since if you want to change if you want to change the design of this pie chart, you can go to the design tab, and from here you can select multiple colorful representations, graphical representation. But here I would like to use this one because it has multiple colors, so we can have a clear picture of different month sales progress report. So if I select this one, then it does not show any better clear understanding, because it contains only one color, so it does not provide us a good clear picture of all the sales progress report month wise. But if I select this one, it has multiple colors, so it is more helpful and more useful. And if you want to show the percentage, then it's very simple. You can see that every certain section of this sales figure can be seen with the help of the percentage. So you don't need to go into the drag the mouse over to the section and then get the total percentage and check the total percentage of each and every section. So this way you can easily see that how much a month covers the percentage of the full of the all 8 months sales progress report. And if you click this option, then it only shows the month's name, so it gives you a clear picture of the month sales progress report. So month wise you can see that which month has provided you the more sales month wise. So that's all.